Okay, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna put on these joints. Yeah, this whip's gonna be lower now. So just get a quick profile of the height right now. Side. Okay, so my car's sitting like that right now. I don't have my key for my wheel lock because I brought my car to Midas and I guess they forgot to put in my car. So I'm just waiting for one of the mechanics to bring it because I told them my car's on jack stand, so like I have to take all that off and do all that stuff. So, but yeah, my friend's gonna help me too, and he's gonna help me with the coilovers because he has a bit of experience. So who's this? Who's that? Yo, do this. That looks nice.
I don't know you. I'm so happy.
Well, your voice is already in it, so. Want me to show you?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah, so here's the old ones and the new ones. You can see the difference. One's rusted and one's not. Yeah, we just took out the strut. It's all good. You want to be in the video? Why not? Don't you want to be famous?
Nah, I'm just gonna be awkward. I'm gonna be famous for the wrong reasons.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in. Yeah, so we got the fronts in, the hella flush. The backs we're working on, but you can see we're taking that nut off. We snapped that bolt off, so now we can't change the coilovers in the back yet because we can't take this off. If we can't take this off, we can't take the strut off. So now we have to go to the mechanic shop and get it fixed, or make them take care of it. But yeah, stay tuned until the next scene. That's how she sits right now. You want to be in the video still? No? We're going hot rod style. The front is down, the back is up. That's all good though. Okay, so I'm going to the mechanic shop today to bring my car so they can finish the rest of the work. But first I have to go to a performance shop to get some lower control arms, rear lower control arms, because the mechanic suggested I get some new, like brand new ones, because it's easier for the job. So I'm gonna see what they have and get those and come back and bring it to the mechanic so you can put them on. So I'll see you guys then. Yeah, so I made it to the place. It's 2 fast motors. It's all kind of performance parts. That's what they say. Yeah, but on the way when I was coming here, I seen some SCI, Subaru SCI, and like I looked to the side and glanced. There's a girl driving it. Like she looked like it was like a white girl that was like in her like her late 30s or like early 40s. Dude, she was driving that thing. She was like weaving through it, like weaving through traffic and everything. Like she knew how to drive, man. I was following her a little bit. It's like, oh my god, it's kind of hot. But yeah, I'm gonna get these coilovers, or not the coilovers, these control arms, and I'll show you guys. So I just went in there. That place has everything for performance parts. Oh my god, like I was like, holy crap, bro. Like they have like Honda emblems, they have like control arms, they have steering wheels, they have headlights, they have like everything. They have seats and like yeah, everything for the, like what you need, like performance parts for your car. They have it. But yeah, these are the control arms they got. Migo Racing. I don't know what brand these are. Yeah, Migo Racing. He has Skunk2 racing ones, but they're replicas. I didn't want to go no replicas because I'd rather have like a legit brand than a replica. But yeah, these look nice. And also I got some these carbon fiber Acura emblems. So $30 for these two, $15 each. But that's I think that's, oh my god, I was surprised like when I went inside there. But 2 fast motors, they're going there. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the mechanic shop and give my car for them to fix, and more money and just more waiting. Not having my car, but yeah, it's all a process. Oh, that's sucked. I just came back home, and the ride was really bumpy because these are stiffer shocks, and it's just way lower. Oh my god! See the control arms in the back. Hold on. Oh, look at that. I think the back is sitting a little bit too low, but I'm gonna check that to see if it's at the minimum. See, like the camber the car has, like it's negative camber, so I will need to get the camber kit in the back, because like I can tell like it looks like I have so much camber. Yeah, but these aren't the wheels I'm gonna like keep for a while, so it's fine for now, I guess. So just looking at it from here, that's freaking low, man. I was driving it back from the mechanic shop. You can already tell like the whole ride is just bumpy. It's just like you have to watch out for like bumps and stuff now. You can't just like run over them with ease. It's just like you have to maneuver around them, because like the shocks are like performance shocks. Like coilovers are like meant to be stiffer for like performance. Like it just makes it handle better when you're turning and stuff. But yeah, the ride was bumpy, but I think it's worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a test drive. I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys how the car drives. But yeah, like I got this free rag from the mechanic. I didn't tell him he forgot it because I wanted it. So now I got a mechanic rag for like when I'm doing oil changes and stuff. So yeah, that's a win. Another win on I'm going to the mechanic shop. So, but yeah, like I don't know if you can tell, but the car is like bouncing a lot. I think that's like part of it's because the rear suspension I didn't fix up yet, so all the bushings are worn. Besides the control arms, those bushings are fine. Those are new. But the front end is like all new bushings and stuff. But yeah, it's really like bouncy right now. So hopefully, like if I get new bushings in the back, it won't be as bouncy. It'll be more stiff. Hold on. Whenever I do a pull, yeah, it feels flat. Before, when I was doing pulls, the car would kind of dip a little bit. You have to make sure there's no cops when I do that. But yeah, it feels like the car it feels less sporty, like if you want to say, like it feels like less fun when you accelerate like that, because it's just like flat. Let's just feel the turning. Boom, that feels flat. Like less body roll than before.
He fucked up.
with normal springs and shocks, I wouldn't bother to avoid that. But like, you have to slow down for those. Like even like the smallest like gutters and stuff, you have to like watch out for that. Small bumps on the road, just try to maneuver them as best as you can. Yeah, there's way less body roll. Yeah, it feels like nice and do way less body roll. That's how she sits. Lower, sporty, and fun. So you guys made it to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you. The car rides nice and it doesn't ride nice. It rides bumpy, but if I have some girl in the car, driving down like on these Toronto streets, like going over bumps, just gonna go like, it's not gonna be, it's gonna be a good time for me driving like a girl around, but for her, she's gonna be like, ah. Yeah, I don't know if I should put that in, but yeah. If I do put that in, viewers' discretion is advised, but yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace and hair grease.